Yeah, good morning, guys. It's me again, Mikey's Forest School of Business Management. I just want to challenge us this morning to all my subscribers, who are ready to make money, who are ready to make a living trading Forex or trading with the synthetic indices, most especially the boom and crash indices. I have this for you this morning. As you can see, it's $100 challenge, and it's to run for 30 days, maximum 31 days, which is 1 month. What I want you to do is, you are not giving me the money. This money, you are going to fund it into your account. You fund it. Look at day one. This is $100 day one, and you make sure your day one, you make 20% of what you invested. This is it. 20% of $100 is $20. That is, you are making $20 for the first day trade. Then what you do now, you are not going to withdraw the money. The money is for business. Is to grow your equity, and to give you a positive return at the day 31. Now, this is day one, days of the month. This is days of the month. This is your equity, and this is your equity returns, as in 20% daily, and this will be your balance for the day. So after taking your trade for day one with your $100, and you are able to generate the 20%, your balance will be $120 for that day. That is, your daily earning is $20 for the day. Then your day two with the 120, you trade again. You get 20% of 120 is 144, as in is $24 for 20%. So your equity increases to 144 at the end of the day. That is, you are making $20 day two. You made $20 day one. You are making day two $24. Then we go to day three with your $144. After trading, you are with 20% increase, you are climbing to 173, and the 173, your balance for the day will be this 173. That means your daily earnings for the day is $29. Then day 4 with your 173 is the same thing. You make sure your equity increases 20% every day. We are making 20% per day of your equity. That means your day 4, you are making $35. So until we get to day 10. Day 10, let's see. At day 10, we are already at $516. At day 10, we are already at $560, and our equity balance will be $619 at the end of the day. That means at our day 10, our profit is about $103. So it goes down to our day 20, and we have to be very serious with this. This is the only way we can grow. If we are serious with it, I bet you in 30 days you're already a millionaire. This is day 20, you're already in $3,195, and your equity balance for the day is $3,834, and your profit at day 20 is $639. Then look at day 30. This is day 30. At day 30 you're already climbing $19,781, and at the 30th day, see your equity, your profit for the day is $3,956. And at the final day, making it 31 days, you can split it. If you don't want to run it every day, you can trade as long as you are going to run this thing for 30 days, 31 days. It might not be every day. You might not take trade every day. You may just take trade day 1 and pause. Maybe you are busy day 2, you can carry over, make it your day 2 can be the 3rd day. Your day 2 can be maybe days after. But this cheat is going to run for 30 good days. 30 good days. And at the 31 day, you are already climbing $28,485, which is your profit. 20% of this amount will give you 4,700. And so at the end of the day, with $100 investment, you are making $23,000. At the end of the day, you are making $28,485. So I want you to have this at the back of your mind, that you can be a millionaire if you trade wisely. If you trade wisely, you can be a millionaire. You want to be guided, you want to take this trade with me with ease, just reach out, call me on my line 09044 270092. I will guide you. I will give you simple steps. If you have a system, a laptop, I will not advise. If you are going to take this, I will not advise using a mobile phone. But if you are good at this, as in if the mobile phone is okay, you know you can take trade, make more wins using the mobile phone, fine. But I would prefer an iPad or a laptop. But if you are good at taking trade on a mobile phone, fine. But if you want signals, if you want to do this and you need signals, because I will be on my mobile for the next 30 days, I'll be on my laptop for the next 30 days, the next 40-50 days, I will be online taking this trade. I want to see the end results. I have tried it. I tried to 15 days and I paused because of a challenge that came up. I had to go and attend to it. So I'm going back again. I want to start it all over again. So if you want to join me on this, just signal me, show your interest. If you want to take signal alongside with me, that, okay, signal, let's take signal. It must not be what do I put it? It must not be that the trade will just be maybe after 30 minutes you are already make. No, you can take one candle. If you can take one candle for 5 minutes candle, you can take one 5 minutes candle and stop and take another 5 minutes later again until you get to your 20% for that day. It does not necessarily mean that in 1 hour you achieve this 20%. No, because sometimes the trend might not be friendly. We might see the trend is going the other way. We'll pause and wait until the trend is now in a position to take the trade. I know with $100 for a start, you can take a lot size of 0.5 lot size, 2 positions. One 5 minutes candle will give you close to $3-5. And if you can take it successfully for 3, 4, 5 times, you're already on your 20% and you move ahead. You can close for the day. But if the trend is friendly, say, okay, the trend is on your side, you can cash spike. You can even make more than the $20 for the day. You understand? If you make more than $20 for the day, say you make $40-50, is your own win. You keep your profits. Continue. As long as you are trading, no problem. But this is going to last for 30 days. So I want to encourage you, if you know you have the equity, $100, you can roll in, go and fund your account. Let's do this together. 30 days, 31 days, you're already in millions. You're already counting your millions. Look at it at day 31. You are already at $28,000. $28,000 after just imagine, okay, let's assume you cannot fight till the end. But let's say at day 28, look at day 28. Look at day 28, you're already counting $11,000. Look at day 20, you're already $2,600. So look at it. If you can struggle, if you can get to these days without falling out, my brother, you are already counting millions. What is that thing that they say money cannot do? You will do it. So I want to encourage you all, my viewers, my subscribers, share this information to as many you want to get this information across to. Share this information. this trade is about to kickstart. I'm about to kickstart. I'll be starting very soon. So give me a call, write me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is also on my page. You can write me anytime, any day. I'll be there to respond. You can call my line 09044270092. I'll be there to respond to your calls and your messages. So I'm looking forward to see you in this challenge, how to be a millionaire. This is an easy way. This is one easy way to become a millionaire in 30 days. So thank you very much. Share this video, subscribe to my channel, give a good comments. You can like my videos, and thank you very much. I really appreciate you once again. This is Mikey's Forest School of Business Management. We are into all kind of trades, but currently focusing on boom and crash, because that is where the money is. Though other markets are doing good, they are booming, but boom and crash, I'm an expert there. That's my field. So see you again. Thanks and bye.